Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Guy with Dope Cards and Box Breaks, and today I'm bringing you a brand new product, Prestige 2014-15 basketball. This is actually at Target. It's a Target exclusive. It's only $65. There's one box there for $200 that guarantees 4 autographs and a jersey card. This one I have no idea. It doesn't say what it's guaranteed. So we'll just break this open and see what we got. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. 10 packs. Let's do this. All right. Base, base, base. First rookie, Spencer Dinwiddie, something like that. Marcin Gortat, number to 199. And JJ Redick. We'll put the base up here. The rookie's there. Alright, so far so good. First pack, already got a numbered card. So we're looking for, hopefully we get some lower numbered than 199, but that's a good start. Base, base, base. Rookie of Clay Anthony Early. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, if it'll focus. But there's some spots on the writing there that it doesn't have the blue in the name. Nice. Russell Westbrook, number to 99. 23 out of 99. So 2 packs and 2 numbered cards. I will take it. Give me a Jabari Parker autograph and we'll call it a good day. Base, 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 base. Another numbered card. So maybe one numbered card guaranteed in every pack. And then Monte Ellis base at the back. This is Jonas Valanciunas. I don't know, probably just butchered that, but he's a big man for the Raptors. However the hell you say his name. Base, base, base. This is Elfrid Payton rookie card, number to 199. That's pretty cool. For Orlando. Avery Bradley base in the back, and franchise favorites, Michael Carter-Williams. His cards sell really well. It's not numbered, unfortunately, but nice insert. Come on. Alright. Oh, looks like we got our first auto, possibly. Flip that one around. Shabazz Napier rookie card for the Heat. We've got a Klay Thompson Hardcourt Heroes insert. We got our base, and our auto is going to be Corey Jefferson, Prestigious Premiers, on-card auto, and it is not numbered. But first hit, nice. Could be the only hit. I have no idea. Not a bad first hit though. A rookie autograph on card is always nice because they could always turn out to be better than what people expected. Base, 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 base. Prestigious Posts of Dwight Howard. That's a pretty cool looking card for just an insert. And Kevin Love in the Cavs uniform. Oh, that feels like there's something in there. and there. So maybe it's 2 jerseys and 1 autograph? Unless they're decoys, which unfortunately happens quite a bit. Base, 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 base. Greg Monroe, numbered to 49. Another low-numbered card. Kevin Martin. And I think I missed the rookie card in there. Yep, I sure did. Gary Harris. Make sure I didn't miss one in the pack before that. I did. Jordan Clarkson. And the rest I caught. Alright. So far we've got 5 numbered cards and an autograph. For a box that I bought at Target, I cannot complain. That's pretty nice. And we've still got this pack and 2 more left. Base, 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 base. Jamal Crawford, number to 199. Did it again. The rookie card. Noah Vonleh from the Hornets. Alright, now hopefully both of these are patches. It'd be nice if one of them was an autograph patch. So put the rookie card on top, flip this around. TJ Warren, rookie card. Oh, nice. Prestigious Connections. Alonzo Mourning, Anthony Davis. It'd be nice to get a parallel of that was numbered. Really good looking card though. I like this product. Base, 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 and True Colors patch of Tyler Ennis, rookie card. And it's numbered at a 199. So just a 1 color jersey, but it is numbered, so that's nice. And last, hopefully not least, nice, another one. I can't be mad. Alright, Marcus Smart, rookie card. Oh, very nice. That's dope. Prestigious Pioneers, Larry Bird. Very dope card. It's not numbered, but very nice parallel. Base, 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 and we got Scottie Pippen. I can't tell if that's a... It looks like a seam. Yeah, it's just jersey, but it's got part of a seam there. I don't know if you can see it. Numbered 199 in his Blazers uniform. Very dope. So, just a recap, we got 2 True Colors jersey cards, both numbered to 199. 1 rookie, one of the top 50 players of all time in Scottie Pippen. And you got your rookie on-card auto of Corey Jefferson, not numbered. Greg Monroe, numbered to 49. Russell Westbrook, numbered to 99. And you've got Jonas Valanciunas, 199. Marcin Gortat to 199. Jamal Crawford to 199. And then Elfrid Payton, rookie for the Magic, to 199. So 6 parallel cards numbered, 2 jerseys, and an autograph. Not a bad product. Like I said, Target. This box right here is 65 bucks. You get a total of 60 cards. Quite a few inserts, quite a few numbered parallels, and quite a few rookies. So go check it out. If you're a big baller, go ahead and grab the $200 box. It's got 4 autos and a jersey. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and check out my eBay. All my cards are for sale. If you don't see cards on there that you see on here, just message me and I will post them. Thanks.